Welcome to this session on improving efficiency for operations managers, presented by Dr. Microlearning. In the next slides, we will explore practical tools, proven techniques, and real-world examples designed to streamline workflows, reduce costs, and boost productivity, so you can apply these ideas directly to operational challenges in your organization. This slide outlines the topics we'll cover, from an introduction to operations management through process mapping, resource optimization, quality control, technology, and case studies. Think of this as our roadmap for the presentation, helping you follow how each section builds toward tangible improvements in operational efficiency. Here we define the role of operations managers, who supervise daily processes, allocate resources like people and materials, and develop strategic plans to meet long-term goals. The photo of a team meeting reinforces that this role combines hands-on oversight with planning and collaboration to ensure work aligns with organizational objectives. Operational efficiency matters because it controls costs, shortens response times, ensures consistent quality, and creates a competitive edge. The layout on this slide highlights these four benefits and reminds us that efficiency isn't just about cutting expenses, but about improving service, speed, and reliability for customers and stakeholders. Operations management aims to maximize productivity, reduce waste, keep customers satisfied, and adapt through innovation. This slide summarizes those goals and suggests that achieving them requires both steady improvements and the flexibility to adopt new methods, so teams can meet changing market demands while maintaining strong performance. Process mapping tools make invisible workflows visible, helping managers spot inefficiencies. Flowcharts provide clear, step-by-step visuals. Value stream mapping highlights value and non-value activities, and process simulation software lets you test changes before implementation. The illustrated diagram here shows how mapping brings clarity to complex processes. Identifying bottlenecks starts with spotting where resources are overloaded, where process stages are imbalanced, and which steps take the longest. Conducting cycle time analysis and workload reviews reveals where queues form and where capacity needs to be adjusted, helping teams target improvements that unlock flow and reduce delays. To streamline workflow, blend automation for repetitive tasks with role specialization, so people focus on what they do best, and apply lean principles like eliminating waste and just-in-time production. The visual grouping here reminds us that combining technology, smart task design, and lean thinking produces smoother, faster operations with fewer handoffs. Human resource management is central to operational performance, covering continuous staff training, thoughtful workforce allocation, regular performance evaluations, and programs that support employee well-being. The four-square visual emphasizes that investing in people, skills, schedules, feedback, and health directly improves productivity and long-term reliability. Material resource planning, or MRP, ties together inventory control, demand forecasting, supplier management, and automation tools. Accurate stock tracking prevents shortages. Forecasting helps order proactively. Supplier relationships ensure timely deliveries, and automation streamlines planning and procurement to improve resource precision and reduce waste. Maximizing equipment utilization depends on regular preventive maintenance, realistic capacity planning, timely technology upgrades, and logical workflow layouts. The timeline-style presentation here underscores that planned upkeep and strategic investments keep machines running longer, reduce unexpected downtime, and ensure equipment aligns with production goals. Effective scheduling balances priorities with workforce capacity, using methods like the Eisenhower matrix or ABC analysis for prioritization, rotating shifts to distribute workload and prevent burnout, and forecast planning powered by data analytics to align staffing with demand forecasts and minimize bottlenecks during peak periods. Reducing downtime relies on scheduled preventive maintenance to avoid sudden failures, process optimization to remove redundancies and bottlenecks, and training investments that enable cross-trained staff to step in when needed. The image of a field technician with a tablet highlights how prepared teams and tools keep operations moving smoothly. Time-saving tools include workflow platforms like Trello or Asana for task tracking, automation solutions such as robotic process automation for repetitive tasks, and communication apps like Slack or Microsoft Teams that reduce delays caused by miscommunication. The slide visuals show how these tools speed coordination and keep progress visible. Statistical process control helps managers monitor variance, use control charts to visualize trends and anomalies, and employ predictive analysis to anticipate issues before they escalate. The ascending steps on this slide remind us that combining regular measurement with visual tools and forecasting makes decision-making more proactive and reliable. Continuous improvement, or Kaizen, focuses on making small, consistent changes that add up over time, involving employees at all levels to uncover inefficiencies and establishing feedback loops to capture lessons and refine practices. The photo of a team working at a whiteboard illustrates the collaborative, iterative nature of sustained improvement. Six Sigma takes a data-driven approach to reduce defects and improve quality, using the structured DMEC methodology: define, measure, analyze, improve, control, to solve problems systematically, while keeping customer needs at the center, so operational goals align with market expectations for consistent results. Automation tools streamline processes by standardizing repetitive tasks, lowering labor costs through faster execution, and supporting scalability as demand grows. The three highlighted benefits on this slide show how automation not only improves accuracy, but also frees teams to focus on higher-value work during expansion phases. Artificial intelligence and machine learning support predictive analytics to forecast trends and risks, refine processes through continuous pattern analysis, and enable customer personalization by tailoring responses and services. The images here illustrate AI's role in turning historical data into smarter operational decisions and improved service outcomes. ERP systems integrate core functions like inventory, human resources, and finance into a centralized platform, providing real-time visibility across departments and automating administrative tasks. This kind of integration supports faster coordination, better decision-making, and more time for strategic activities by reducing manual reporting. Budgeting in operations should combine data-driven forecasting to anticipate spending, prioritization to focus funds on high-impact areas, ongoing monitoring to catch variances early, and collaborative planning that involves teams for transparency and shared ownership of financial goals. The layout here emphasizes both discipline and teamwork in budgeting. Cost-benefit analysis helps managers compare investment options, identify risks, optimize resource allocation toward projects with the best returns, and set measurable outcomes to judge success. This slide reinforces that structured evaluation supports informed decisions and ensures limited resources are directed where they deliver meaningful impact. Reducing operational costs involves streamlining processes to cut time and labor, negotiating with suppliers to lower procurement costs, investing in energy-efficient technologies to reduce utility expenses, and minimizing waste through better inventory control or recycling programs. The four-point layout highlights practical levers for sustainable savings. In a manufacturing case study, applying lean principles eliminated waste and shortened production cycles. Automation and robotics optimized repetitive tasks and accuracy, and real-time performance tracking revealed bottlenecks for targeted improvements. The factory images show how combining methods, technology, and data drove measurable productivity gains. A logistics case study shows how route optimization software reduced delivery times and fuel use, just-in-time inventory practices lowered storage costs and improved turnover, and shared collaboration tools enhanced communication between suppliers and distributors to reduce delays and ensure timely fulfillment, illustrated by the autonomous vehicle image. Implementing technology in service operations began with identifying inefficiencies, then applying automated scheduling and resource allocation tools, and finally setting up result monitoring to continuously optimize performance. The team meeting photo underlines that successful tech adoption pairs clear diagnostics with automation and measurement for ongoing improvement. Thanks for viewing this presentation on improving operational efficiency. We covered tools, techniques, and case studies to help you reduce costs, improve quality, and accelerate workflows. Take these concepts back to your operations, experiment with the suggested approaches, and keep measuring results to drive continuous improvement.